Today I'll teach you how to move your photos from iPhone to iCloud. So in order to do that, you need to turn on your iCloud syncing feature with your photos. So for that, you need to open up your settings, and from inside, setting at the top, it's going to show you your iPhone name. My iPhone name is Jake, but yours going to be different. According to your iPhone, click on it, and from inside over here, you can see this option called iCloud. Click on iCloud. Now, once you're inside iCloud, the option called Photos, click on it and make sure it's turned on. If it is turned on, then all of your photos are going to be synced from your iPhone to iCloud automatically. But if it is not being automatically, you can just come inside the setting and click on Resume Syncing. Click on Resume, and all of your photos and video will be start to sync into your iCloud now. The reason why my photo is not being synced to iCloud is because my iCloud only has 5 GB free storage, and have already, like in the store, 5 GB worth of video on iCloud, which means I cannot go above that. Now, the only thing I can do is delete my old videos and upload the new one. So you need to keep that in mind as well. If you have tons of photo, then buying the premium version of iCloud is required. Because if you pay for iCloud, you can get up to 12 terabytes of free storage, alright. So if you want that, you need to do that. But if you have less than 5 GB photo, then it doesn't matter. You can just turn it on, and it's going to automatically sync it. And it's going to move your photo from iPhone to iCloud. It's that simple. So if you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.